Hello guys, let's talk today about the introduction into chemistry. Here we'll talk about the concept of chemistry, the specific objectives which you are going to discuss today. The first one is to explain the concept of chemistry, the materials and objects made by the application of chemistry. So in detail, we mean that in the first part that to explain the concept of chemistry, here we will deal with the definition of chemistry, various concepts and meanings or definitions related to the study of chemistry, and the materials and the objects made by application of chemistry. Here it means that we will deal with the fields where chemistry is applied in use to make various materials and the objects. So let's start with the concept of chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of nature, properties, and the composition of matter. So this is the study that deals with the study of nature, how nature it is, the properties of nature, how the physical and the chemical properties of nature. This means whatever we see, it has certain properties. And the composition, this means that what is inside or what is occupying those matter. So what is matter? Matter can be defined as anything that has weight or mass and it can occupy certain space. So this is all about matter. So matter is anything that you can see, you can touch, anything that has weight and mass, and it can occupy space that it can exist somewhere else. It has certain weight, maybe 2 kilograms. So that's what is matter. The other definition is alchemist. Alchemist, this is the name given to the ancient people who studied this chemistry, this study of chemical and physical properties and composition of matter. The other term is the chemist. This is the person who studies chemistry. So currently the person who studies this chemistry is called as chemist. So those are the main 3 terms which we have to know and understand during knowing the concept of chemistry. So we should know that in the concept of chemistry there are various chemical and chemistry activities, such as those chemical activities such as the experiments done in the laboratories. As we can see in the picture, there's a boy right there who is experimenting maybe certain chemicals, reacting them to produce certain compounds. So when you see things like this, you know that we are dealing with the study of chemistry. So that is all about the study of chemistry. So the next part is we will discuss on the materials related to the application of chemistry. This means that the materials that are made by the application of chemistry. So stay tuned to the next lecture. Thank you.